Gold, after achieving the record highs at 2148 levels in the earlier trades today, as we discussed in our Asia and Europe session update, that is, it is fragile and it is bound to drop. It has seen lows below 2060 levels, failing to sustain. Now again back to 27. Likewise with crude oil, it has taken a strong support at 73. We have discussed these levels again and again in my weekly review, in my early morning update for crude oil, that yes, 73 levels are going to remain critical for crude oil. Achieving those levels, right now it is rising. So now what to expect from gold and crude oil, how we can profit, which position you should take, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. I'll give you the trading levels. Listen to it carefully, watch till the end, and those who are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. This is the second update for the day. First update I have released earlier with the Asia and Europe. Coming to gold, let's start. See, this was the consolidation zone, first breakout, then consolidation, then second breakout. Now it has in fact breached the support levels below 2070 and it has come towards the 50 period at 2060. Now with the support at 2060, it is yielding higher lows now and lower highs. Consolidation going on. The resistance levels are intact at 2090, only above 2090 we can say that it is turning bullish, else it is in the consolidation zone. Stochastic rising, MACD. Now see, MACD was trading with extreme divergence here. It is dropped and see the candle size getting flattened. Bearishness is there, but see, it is getting diminished. It may try to yield couple of more greener candles before looking for further downside. RSI is staying flat here. Coming to 2 hour. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, 20 period moving average, giving it a support. Prices are too much divergent here. It is converged towards the moving average. Also, if you look at the preceding candle or the like a death cross, and with that it is trying to trade in bearish. I will wait for it to break below 2064 levels. Below 2064 and 2060 is where the bear attack again will be expected today, where we can expect further lows. In fact, we can see gold falling within this zone, that is 2050, 2035. Yes, it can create a V-shaped reversal if it stays below 2060. Yes, that is the point below which more bearishness is going to prevail. But look at the stochastic here is oversold, trying to rise, while MACD, now look at MACD, it has seen extreme divergence and crossed over here first red candle. Now first red candle means there could be follow-up red candles which can take the prices further down here. RSI has come out of the overbought zone as well. On the 3, likewise on the 3-hour charts, higher lows here. Wait for it to break below 2064 and 2060 levels. This zone has become critical for gold. Below this, certainly more bearishness. I will look forward to 2050, 2040 and 2035 levels if it continues to stay bearish from here. This is the zone which is going to remain a support zone, and below this you can say another round of drop can be expected, but right now it is not showing any signs. It is just taking the support from the 20 period. See, historically, in the recent time, if you see, every time it has taken the support here from the 20 period and again coming back to the same levels. Stochastic oversold. Look at MACD here, was trading with extreme divergence on the verge of a convergence here, a sharp red candle, and it will cross over, and from there it can try to yield another round of bearishness, and from there the rise can be seen. But right now it is not showing the signs of bullishness. That is very, very clear. And also it is trying to take the support from the 20 period. That is also clear. Stochastic RSI was overbought. It has come out of the overbought zone here. On the 4-hour charts, look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, prices are on the verge of taking the support from the 20 period here. And too much of divergence, I always say, calls for it to converge. That is why earlier in the day, earlier in our update, I have mentioned very clearly that gold is fragile and it is bound to break. Right now 20 period sitting at around 2055, 56, and below that we can look forward to 2050 as the major support. So first zone is you can sell at 2064, expect 2060, 2056, and then 2050. These are the 4 support levels on the downside. Yes, the preceding candle was a swing candle. After the swing, it is taking a direction. It means it can yield furthermore red candles here. If you look at the stochastic, this has fallen to oversold levels. The MACD was trading with extreme divergence. It has converged here. It has not yet crossed over, and it is not to the extreme highs as well. It has further scope for it to rise. RSI has seen a V-shaped recovery here. It was extremely overbought. It has fallen back sharply. Coming to the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts. See, on the daily charts, consistently higher lows here, higher highs here. Though it has seen a curve here and seen an exponential rise. See the divergence from this line. Now we have to wait for it to converge towards the bottom of this, which is right now sitting at around 2035. Also look at the moving averages. These are 20 periods sitting at far below levels, at 2020 levels close to. Yes, this is the next support levels. Right now the prices are too much divergent, and we have to wait for it to retrace a little or wait for the moving average to climb up. Stochastic was overbought, it has cooled down sharply. MACD was trading with extreme divergence here and now trying to converge a bit. Yes, these are the higher levels from where we have seen a recovery or reversal in gold. So this is where again it has seen the peak what we have seen in last 1 year. So possibly this could be one of the signs of a little reversal. RSI is also coming out of the overbought zone. So now considering this, before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 28th batch is announced. You can be part of it. Register yourself now itself. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades and help you trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals where trading as per the signals you can definitely benefit. And yes, if you're not joined my platform forexfunda.com, you're missing on the up. This is my platform forexfunda.com. This is for the trader by the traders here. See, yes, this is for you all to get the most out of it. Here you will find the details of the badge, the webinar series, and yes, you will find the top stories, gold breaks to the all-time high levels as Fed hints rate have peaked. You will find major stories from across the globe here. Also, you can get, as most of you asked, economic calendar is available where you can see the data releases from all the major economies across the globe. You can also find your favorite instruments, do the charting, do the analysis here, and you can schedule a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance with respect to any of your positions or future predictions. Yes, you can also enjoy the forums out here and engage in an enriching discussion with the like-minded traders. Do create your own post. Also, you can join my free Telegram channel to get the latest updates. Now, looking at this, I will recommend you to sell gold today at 2064 levels, below 2064, 2060, 2056, and 2053 major support levels. Below 2050, more bearishness. 2040, 2035 is the very strong support zone. And if it stays below 2035, you can look forward to 2020. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. What we have seen an extreme rise today, it can show you an extreme fall as well. Be careful here. On the upside, only buying entry I will recommend is about 2076. Beyond 2076, you will find the first resistance at 2080, then 2084, and then 2090. And remember, it is only to be treated as bullish if it stays above 2090. As long as 2090 is not taken today, it is going to it is going to be considered for further drop within the next couple of sessions, where we can again expect it to come down to 2060, 2050 zone. So yes, as long as 2090 is not taken, do not treat gold as bullish for next couple of sessions. Trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at crude oil. Now see, crude oil, what it has done today, it has dropped from 75 levels, it has moved towards 73, the first support levels, very, very strong support. I have asked you earlier in the day to sell at 73.8. Now see, let's track crude oil on the early charts. Drop, retracement, drop. It can again retrace. How far it can retrace? We can look forward to 75 as the major resistance levels on the upside. Now, where you can buy, I will recommend you to buy. If you see it is staying above 74 levels, you can buy. But then 74.4 and 75 are two major resistances. And then the extreme resistance is at 76 and 77 zone. These are too far levels, but yes, these are achievable levels as well. Now, draw a parallel here and you will find that it is going to trade in this zone. The likes of $75 levels are achievable. Thus, above 74 levels, you can initiate a buying position. On the downside, we all know 73 is now a greater support. I will show you on the daily charts why it is a greater support. The stochastic has reached to the overbought zone. Now look at MACD. First wave, second wave, it has crossed over. It can try to retrace a bit on the upside. RSI coming out of the oversold zone, coming to 2. Now look at 2-hour charts. The first of all, a reversal sign here on the 2-hour charts. Despite the reversal sign, we have seen it breaking towards the low 73. 73 is a double bottom level, I will tell you on the daily charts. With that, two candles with bigger tails, and this candle again trying to form higher lows here. So possibly 73.4, 73.6 zone is again going to remain critical. And now above 74, certainly it's a buy. So what we'll expect, if it drops below 73.4, the higher price is to be below 73.4, we can initiate a selling position. Again, 73 the first support, 72.4 the next, and 72 ultimate support. The stochastic is rising here. The MACD has traded with extreme bearishness. It has come to the bottom. Can we expect it to reverse from here? Right now it is showing the sign of convergence, which means a probable couple or more bullish candles. RSI hitting at bottom, coming to 3 hour. Likewise on the 3 hour chart, see what it has done and how it has behaved. You should observe. See couple of bearish candles retracement, one bearish candle retracement, then bearish candle. See bearishness getting diminished. This move is getting diminished with every bearish candle here, and now it is trying to reverse. So thus, if you see it is staying above 74, we can expect 74.4 and 75. Above 75 is where we can expect further reversal, and beyond 75, certainly 76, 75.5, 76 is a good resistance. The stochastic is oversold after forming the double bottom. It is trying to recover. The MACD is trading with extreme divergence in bearishness. It may try to converge from here. See, if you look at the waves on MACD, higher lows and higher highs. So possibility of a recovery from these levels exists. RSI at bottom. Coming to 4 hour chart. Now look at 4 hour chart. See, look at this 73 levels. It has precisely achieved this level. And yes, there was one candle which is achieved for the lows towards 72.4. Now, if you draw a parallel here, see 79.6, 79.6, 73, 73. It is trying to stay in the box here, trying to trade in the zone before it leaves on the upside or downside. Now, what has happened here is a swing candle, the preceding candle, while wait for a breakout, because see this is formed a double top. Thus, it is important for it to stay above 74 in order to confirm a further rise towards 75 and plus levels. Moving averages have crossed over here and it is trading with divergence and bearishness. Stochastic oversold. It has formed a double bottom, looking forward to a little recovery. The MACD is still bearish. It is divergent. Candle size is diminishing, looking forward to a little convergence here. RSI is also at bottom. Coming to the daily chart. Now look at the daily chart. See, look at the formation here. Drop, retracement, middle to the middle, then to the top here, then again to the bottom, trading sideways. Yes, 73 indeed is a good support, and here it is the box here. Yes, it is trying to reverse after 3 bearish candles here. It is trying to reverse. I will wait for a rise above 74 for a further confirmation of bullishness, then 75, and then beyond that it will try to rise. Stochastic oversold. MACD is in green. It is trying to converge, but look at the daily MACD. First wave, second wave, it is converged here, and from here a bullish candle may take it further on the upside. RSI at bottom. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy at 74. Expect 74.4, 74.5 as the first target, 75 as the next. 75 is what I will be looking forward to if it stays above 74, certainly. 75 is the next resistance, and only above 75 the bullishness will be seen or expected. On the downside, below 73.4 levels you can sell again and expect it to hit 70, and below 73 is where we can expect further bearishness towards 72.4 and 72. If you see oil any point of time trading below 72 and 73 zone, do not think of buying oil for the rest of the week. It is going to break below 70. If it stays below 72, 73, you can expect a crash here. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship best and signals channel. Join my webinar series. Do visit the platform forexfunda.com, and you can be updated. You can remain updated by joining my free Telegram channel as well. All the links are there in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.